All right, testing out my Walksnail little system again. A new little whoop. It still flies really unstably. Trying to keep it in the air. Maybe it's just my fingers. And there goes the picture again. It's terrible range. I have got to figure out how to fix that. I've had little analog quads. They're like a third the cost that could easily do that same range. Of course, they had a terrible picture. Oh, well, let's try to do a little loop around the tree. Oh man, the video's going out. Oh shoot! Oh, no, not the frickin'. Oh, okay, I'm stuck in a tree. All right, took me like 5 minutes to find that thing. It was 10 feet in the air. Whatever. At least this is a tough little quad. It's just fine. Well, except for still flying like crap and having terrible range. Also, I think all of these old batteries I have are crap because this one just ran out of power. All right, yet another battery. Let's see if this one lasts any longer than the other one. Ooh, okay, under that thing. So far, so good. Picture's starting to go out again. Oh man, why isn't it staying steady? Okay, this battery's lasting a little bit better. Okay, gotta watch out for the drone-eating tree. Oh, not this time, buddy. Not this time! Alright. Well, this battery's not terrible. It's not great either. It's almost out of power, too. I gotta start using the new batteries. There goes the picture again. Alright. It's still flying. Kind of. Alright, one more time. One more time around the drone-eating tree. There goes the picture again. Just a swamp swallowing my video signal. You know what? This one battery is not terrible. I really should mark which battery this is. I think I'm going to throw away every single one of the other ones. Because they're all trash. Garbage. Of course, they're like 2 years old and kind of neglected them for almost a year. Actually, I think I neglected them for over a year. Alright, let's try something else. Alright, I think I might have actually fixed the problem. I found some videos from good old Joshua Bardwell, Mr. Drone Expert on YouTube. Did some settings. Maxed out the power. Yeah, check it out. Rock solid video signal, y'all. Ooh, got the new battery in here too. They just needed to get them charged. I only got 4 of them, but they are 4 powerhouses. No voltage sag there, baby. No voltage sag there. Okay, let's do a little lap around the drone-eating tree. Check it out. Solid video signal. No more crawling pixels. Oh, I could get used to this. This is premium. See, this is what happens when you actually, read the instructions. All right. See, this is what I wanted. Nice, beautiful signal in a tiny little drone nobody would care about, hardly even notice. Well, now I got some decent range, too. Or at least the range is what I used to get with the analog. And no crappy staticky picture. Oh. So gorgeous. Beautifully HD. And the handling's better too. I toned it down quite a bit. I'm not qualified to fully operate this. Ooh, check it out. A glory shot of the sky. A glory shot of the sky on a drone that fits in your hand. One hand. Little tiny thing. This is what every Whoop should be having this. This is the new thing.